Hello, it's Ben with Belmont Solar. Right now we are focusing on batteries. There's a million battery options out there. This is the one I chose for my own house, and this is what I choose for many of the clients as well. The customer service behind Rubix here is practically the best in the class, or by far the best I've found in the battery industry so far. They're located out of Ohio. They're responsive, they know their things, and they really know their development. They used to be installers before the two founders started Rubix, and I know them personally. But that's not why I chose them, just because I know them personally. They stand behind their product, their word is true, and their warranties is not just a piece of paper written with words on it that mean nothing. They usually cover shipping costs if there is a problem, which there rarely ever is. So that's why we support great companies with great values such as Rubix in this instance. This display just simply shows the percentage, how full it's charged. Earlier in the day it was fully charged, and now a little bit of power is being used into the evening hours. This provides ongoing power even if there was no grid power. This system in this house runs largely on battery power, with the grid being there to provide a financial incentive. The grid and the battery bank, they're both a form of storage, and they're both a form of security. And in this house, there's no fossil fuel generator needed. There's so many things that you can learn about batteries, so regardless of what your understanding or misunderstanding may be thus far, it's about having a battery that with people behind it that have good service. It's about a battery that has durability and longevity and performs extremely well. But probably the most important is how your system is designed by your installer. It needs to be sized accordingly and chosen accordingly to make everything as an entire system work extremely well for many years to come.